We have some of our best fourth-year apprentices, carpenters, trade show carpenters, and pile drivers competing today. The winner gets cash prizes. This year we have close to 800 students attending our open house. We need to get the word out to the youth in this area to let them know the opportunity they have here to be a union tradesperson. There is plenty of work in this area, and the students need to know there's another opportunity other than regular college.
I enjoy seeing them come in because a lot of these kids are coming out and a lot of them aren't able to go to college, or some don't want to go. I wouldn't want to work non-union at all. Because say you work maybe 10 years, and you get laid off, and what have you got?
Nowadays, we really focus so much on career and college readiness, and we really overlook so many really important programs like the ones we're seeing here today. Our students are really lucky to have access to that.
When I was an apprentice, I didn't know anything, but I had veterans in the field actively pour into me, and I'm thankful for that. And that's what the brother and sisterhood is to me. Everybody's pouring into everybody so we can pour into other people.
Being in the contest alone is prestigious. Winning the competition is something that you'll never forget.